And welcome back to Broader Financial Future. Hopefully, everyone's having an amazing day. I know the stock market is not looking great at all, and that's what I'm going to talk about today. Some of the reasons why the stock market is down. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I talk all things finance, and don't forget to hit that like button to start your weekend right. So before we talk about why some of the reasons why it's down, let's talk about some of the what's actually down today. First, I wanted to talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently down about 5% today, but this market is open 24 hours, so that number will fluctuate throughout the day. In addition, if you look at the Russell 2000, that's down 2.13%. So, what is the Russell 2000? It is a stock index that tracks 2,000 small cap companies in the United States. Basically, if you don't know what a small cap company is, a small cap stock is a company with a market capitalization of less than $2 billion. So basically, small companies. So if you're investing in small companies, those are actually down a bit today. So that took a hit. The Nasdaq actually took a hit as well, down 1.92%. In addition, this is actually one of my favorite markets to be in when it comes to ETF index funds. It's the S&P 500, and that's down 0.84%. And when it comes to the S&P 500, those are basically 500 of the largest companies listed on the stock exchange in the United States. So if this is down, more than likely, some of your favorite companies took a hit today as well. In addition, the Dow 30 is only down about 0.17%, which is actually way better than the rest. And gold and silver is actually up today. So if you're in gold and silver, you actually had a better day than most. So let's discuss some of the reasons why the market has been down lately, because there has been a little bit of fluctuation, down one day, up a little bit, down more, up a little bit more. So let's take a couple of look at some of the reasons why. One of the first reasons is the new variants. Now, most people, whenever a new variant comes out, they get a little bit scared. Some people are concerned about how that's going to impact the economy and will there be more lockdowns and restrictions in the future. That remains to be seen. Anything can happen, but as of right now, I don't think the economy can take another hit of another lockdown, especially here in the United States. I know some countries are doing lockdowns, but I don't think the economy could take another hit like that. Next was the a weak jobs gains. So 210,000 jobs were added last month, which was much lower than expected. So they expected a little bit more when it comes to jobs. So that's another reasons why the market took a hit. In addition, I think this is another big reason why as well is people are taking profits. If you look at CEOs and insiders, they sold a record 69 billion in the year. We still have a couple of more weeks in the year, and this includes CEOs from Microsoft, big names like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos from as well. So basically, a lot of people are selling their stock. So that's another reason as well. For whatever reason, they are selling their stock, and that's something to be aware of as well. In addition, and this is something I'm actually going to do as well, is tax harvesting, basically tax loss harvesting. This allows you to sell stocks that are down, replace them with reasonable, similar investments, and then offset realized investment gains with those losses. Now, this is something, like I said, I'm going to do as well. I'm going to rebalance my portfolio. It's something you have to really do your homework on and do it right, because otherwise you might mess up your tax situation. But it's something. This is one of the reasons why the market is down as well. I'm actually planning on selling off some of my stocks next week, which I want to discuss at a loss, and I want to go into the details of why I made that decision. But um, overall, it's really a combination of all those things. The market is at an all-time high. So I believe some people are taking profits. Some people need money for the holidays. Some people just need money in general. But the most important thing is to remember is why you bought that specific stock or asset before you decide to make a move. Whatever the market's doing, remember why you decided to invest in whatever you're investing in and make the appropriate decision. I remember last year, I was buying Pfizer stock. It wasn't at the time. It didn't seem like a great decision. Everything was going up. It seemed like, and Pfizer was not really doing well at all. And this year, it looks like a great investment. At that time, it didn't. It was trading flat, but this time of year, it has been doing a lot better. But you never know. Like you have to really invest in what you believe in and really know why you're making those moves, especially in the long term. You have to really ask yourself, what type of investor are you? Like always, I am not a financial advisor. These videos are strictly for entertainment purposes only, and any investment may involve risk. As you can see in this last couple of days, uh, the market can go up and down depending on what you're investing in. So you have to really make sure you can ride the highs because when you're doing really well, everybody's a genius. But when your stock market goes down, can you maintain without panicking? And you really thought of what you're doing and stuff like that. So that's really all I got for everybody today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Trying to get to that 1,000 subscriber mark by next year sometime. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. It really helps out the channel. I'm really trying to really grow this thing and really just share my love when it comes to financing, the stock market, dividend stocks. This is another reason why I love dividend stocks as well, because the stock of the price, it is a factor when I look into buying dividend stocks. But more importantly, I'm looking for cash flow. I don't want to worry about when I plan on selling. I want to kind of buy into companies and assets that's going to bring me passive income. And as you can see, I talk about my dividend. I share my dividend income uh, with our community, so you can check those out as well. All right, folks, that's all I got. Until next time, everyone have a good one, and let everyone be future billionaires and millionaires. Peace.